Watch this video and learn how to draw a leprechaun. Later in the show, Bunny's going to have a song break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Get ready for fun, it's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Artie!
Oh, hello, little artists.
You know how you love St. Patrick's Day?
Yes?
Let's draw a leprechaun.
Oh, Artie would love that. Can we please?
Yes, of course.
Okay, yay!
Oh, the little artists are here.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Me too. Come on, let's start.
okay. Let's begin with a grin.
A rhyme. I didn't
Okay.
know you were a poet.
Let's start.
Let's start by drawing our leprechaun's eyes. Did you know that leprechauns are not real?
No.
They're mythical.
Ooh,
That means they're made-up creatures.
Artie is so cute.
Let's draw two little circles right in the middle of the page, and the right circle can be slightly smaller than the left one. Let's draw a black dot inside the first circle.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
Sure is.
Every day is a great day to create art, guys.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw two little teardrop shapes just above the eyes, shade them in black. That's going to be the eyebrows. Should we go and get ice cream after the show, Artie?
yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay.
Artie loves ice cream. Draw a smiley mouth, and let's draw a tongue sticking out. It's almost like our leprechaun wants ice cream as well.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Are you drawing a carrot?
No.
I wish you would.
Maybe next time.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
You know, you're going to have to draw a carrot for her one of these days, Artie. Otherwise, she's going to be very disappointed.
I know.
We don't want to disappoint Bunny Fluffington.
No.
Are you enjoying yourself, Artie?
Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, I'm pleased.
Yeah.
I'm happy as well. Watching you make art always makes me happy. Let's draw a nice curved line for the right side of the face. Join the two lines together with a chin. That's it. Let's give him some nice Irish hair. Thick red hair. Draw some jagged lines on the left side.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Come down to a point for the beard, and then more jagged lines up the right side for the right side of his hair. Let's draw a curved line all the way across from the left side to the right. This is looking pretty good.
Oh, can we please have a song break?
You want a song break?
Yeah, a song break.
Yes, we can do that. Let's have a song
Okay.
break.
Yay! Song break! Let's go!
Welcome to our classroom. Come and take a seat. Learning here is awesome. Isn't that so neat? We count, we read, we sing, we play. Every day's an adventure, hooray, hooray. 1, 2, 3, let's count together. circle, square, triangle. Let's name them all. Red and blue and yellow on the classroom wall. The sun is round, the door's a square. Shapes and colors are everywhere. 1, 2, 3, let's count together. A, B, C, we're learning forever. Shapes and colors, stories too. Learning is fun for me and you. Let's spell cat, C-A-T. What about dog? That's D-O-G. Clap your hands, we're doing great. Learning is fun, it's never too late. 1, 2, 3, let's count together. A, B, C, we're learning forever. Shapes and colors, stories too. Learning is fun for me and you. So let's keep exploring. There's so much to do. Every day's a chance to learn something new. In our classroom, we laugh and grow. Let's all shout, we love to know.
Song break. That was a really good song break.
It was. Bunny Fluffington
Yeah.
did a really good job.
Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Let's draw our leprechaun's hat. Coming up, Cartoon Artie learns about things that are coloured green.
Artie's really on a roll today.
He sure is, Mikey. This is going to be a really good drawing, I can tell. This hat reminds me of Bobby Banana's hat.
Yeah.
It's a little bit similar. Now let's draw a buckle on the front of the hat. Leprechauns always have buckles on their hats. We'll draw a little square, but with rounded corners. And inside, draw a smaller little square.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Wow, you are so talented.
Thank you.
I admire you so much.
Thanks.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Wow, Artie, I think you have a little pink admirer.
No.
I think you do. Okay, the belt buckle is nearly done, I think. Now, let's draw some lines going up towards the top of the hat at an angle with a little hook on the end. My goodness, Artie, you seem to be having a lot of fun with this drawing.
Yeah, Artie's really having fun. Thank you.
No, thank you. You're making me have fun as well, just watching you. It looks like his hat's complete. Let's start his jacket. Draw a nice collar, one on the left and one on the right, of course. That's looking good.
Can you tell what it is, little artists?
I can't tell.
Now let's draw his body. A nice big round curve along the left, and then another one on the right, and then connect those two together at the bottom.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
You want a cartoon break?
Yeah.
Of course, why not?
Yes, please.
Okay, off you go.
Okay.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured green.
Artie loves green. Green leaves from the tree. Green grass. It's a little green frog. It's a big green bus.
Well done, Artie. You found lots of green things.
Artie loves green.
Artie's even more adorable in cartoon form.
Cartoon break. That was a really good one.
It really was, Artie.
Yeah,
Let's finish the drawing.
yeah, okay, yeah. Cartoon break.
All right, calm down. Let's give this leprechaun some arms. Draw a little square with a circle in the middle, that's the button, and then a straight line going up to the beard. And now add a hand at the bottom.
I love watching Artie draw almost as much as I love carrots.
And I know you really love carrots, Bunny, so you must really love watching Artie draw as well. Don't forget the right hand, Artie.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Let's draw some skinny little legs and funny big shoes. Oh yes, that's a great shoe. Give him some stripy socks. Leprechauns always have stripy socks.
Oh, Artie didn't know that. Oh,
Their socks look a little bit like your shirt.
oh, stripy.
That's right, stripy green shirt. This is looking really good, Artie. I think it might be finished. What do you think?
I finished.
I thought so.
Yeah, I want to colour it in.
Well, no problem.
Yeah.
Go ahead and colour it in.
Okay. Yeah.
This is going to be great.
It's time to color it in.
Finished. All done. Yeah.
What a great job, Artie.
Yeah, it looks really nice. I love all the colours.
Very green.
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Oh, I'm very proud.
You should be.
Thank you.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Artie hopes you have an Artie day.